is with us.
My fellow freedom fighters, I thank you so much on how we want to make this video to tell the diaspora that we are fighting under the MFF, ARF, under the entire government. We are not fighting under Sugar Day, we are not fighting under ADF, but we are the freedom fighters of Ambazonia. We are working under the interim government. We need support here in this Menchum because we are fighting under Menchum. We the freedom fighters of Ambazonia, me, especially me, Colonel Staga, with my fellow freedom fighters, we are capable to fight the struggle until the end of our life. We are not going to give up on this struggle. But we want to beg the diaspora that we don't have enough irons, don't have enough materials. We need support for them for us to carry this struggle ahead. There are so many youth that want to join the freedom because we don't have any stick. We decided that they should not join us. But by the effort of the IG, I believe that we shall have our materials. Ambazonia, Ambazonia, me, Colonel Staga. This is my soldier. Some of them are not here. I send them for one duty. I believe that by the support of the IG, we are ready to fight till the day that we're going to meet there in Boya. And me, I believe that none of my soldiers are going to lose in life.
Yes.
So, none of my soldiers are going to lose in life.
Yes.
We are capable to fight for this struggle until the end of our life. We want to build a Menchum County that we are working under Menchum, under the ARF, that is Ambazonia Restoration Force. My fellow soldier, let nobody should come and tell you that we are working under individual, either Sugar Day or ADF. We are working under
Ambazonia Restoration Force.
We are working under
Ambazonia Restoration Force.
That is the IG, the interim government. I believe that by their support and by the support of our brothers here in Menchum, I know that some of them are there in diaspora. We need their help. We need their support for us to carry this struggle ahead. We are fighting here in Frawa. We are the one fighting here in Frawa. Not any freedom fighter, not any group here in Frawa again, apart from this special force. Yeah. And we are the special force of Ambazonia under the IG. Thank you.